Hi everyone, this is Miss Wynn at 10 Oaks. I just wanted to show you guys how to log into Edgenuity for those of you who had questions so that you guys can go ahead and get started on it. First, if you want to Google Edgenuity, this is the screen that comes up. I pulled the instructions up over here so that you can get a good idea of it too. It's posted in your Google Classroom. You're going to log in and you're going to use student login. Once you're logged in, you will see this screen here. And what you're going to do is you're going to click, it says to begin, the students click on the plus sign next to their name at the top. So next to your name, you're going to click on the plus sign. Here, you will see all the classes that are available to you for your grade level. All you're going to simply do is click the Enroll button. And click the Enroll button, click the Enroll button, and click the Enroll button. Once you click on your Enroll button, you are going to click out on that X and you can start your Edgenuity activity as soon as you're ready. And that is how you get into Edgenuity.